Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious tuna sisig using century tuna. We will start by gathering all the necessary ingredients. This recipe is incredibly simple and perfect for a quick, flavorful meal any day of the week. You'll be surprised how easily you can create this popular Filipino dish right in your own kitchen. Get ready to enjoy a fantastic culinary experience. Now that we have our ingredients, let's combine them to create the flavorful base for our sisig. Gently flake the tuna, then add the fresh aromatics and the bright calamansi juice. The mayonnaise and soy sauce will bind everything together, adding richness and umami. Mix everything thoroughly to ensure every bite is packed with deliciousness. This step is key to a fantastic sisig. It's time to bring the heat. Warm up your pan with a touch of oil over medium heat. We'll sauté our tuna mixture, stirring it gently for about 5 to 7 minutes until it develops a lovely, slightly brown texture. This process really brings out the flavors. For an extra treat, you can crack a fresh egg on top during the final minute of cooking. Your delicious tuna sisig is now ready. Carefully transfer it to a sizzling plate if you have one, or a regular serving dish. A sprinkle of fresh spring onions and a calamansi wedge add the perfect finishing touch. Serve this incredible dish immediately with a generous portion of warm, fluffy rice. Get ready to savor every single bite of your homemade tuna sisig. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.